Hey guys, so we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn how to fix Microsoft Word when it's not responding or it's not starting or opening on your Windows 11 device, either it's a laptop or a PC. Okay, so let's get started. So first, let's open a run window, and we can do that by pressing Windows R key altogether, or you can also do it by making a right click here in our Windows icon and then click on Run Options. So once this run window is up on our screen, please type services.msc, and then once done typing, please click on OK or Enter. And then this services window will be up on our screen. So all we need to do is just look for print spooler options, and we can do that by making or selecting one of the options and then just type on your keyboard P to go to the P section here. So once we're in this section, please look for print spooler, and once found, please make a right click on it and then go to properties. And in here, we need to make sure that the startup type is set to manual instead of automatic. And once done, please click on apply and then click on OK. And then you can now close this window and make a quick restart with your device. And after the restart, please see if it's working already or not. And if it still doesn't work, then let's proceed with the second process. So again, let's open the run window and let's try the second process by making a right click on this window icon and then click on run options, and then this run window is up on our screen. Now here we need to type for appwiz.cpl. Once done, please click on OK or Enter, and then this programs and features window will be up on our screen. Here we need to look for Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365 options. So let us go to the M section here. So we have here Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021. So once you found your Microsoft option, just make a right click on it and then click on Change. And then just click on Yes. And in here, for this question, how would you like to repair your Microsoft 365 and Office programs? Just click on this quick repair, for it fixes most issues quickly without the need for internet connection. And then click on, once chosen, just click on repair, and then after repairing, just make a quick restart with your device. And if it still doesn't work, then go again to this window and then choose for the second option for the online repair, and then again make a quick restart with your device. Okay, so I hope this video or this process worked for you. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.